In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard Smart Plug. The Heimgard Smart Plug helps you turn your regular products such as lamps, coffee makers, and heaters into smart products. First step in setting up your new smart plug is to insert the device into your preferred wall socket. The LED light will flash red and blue for 5 seconds while booting up. You are now ready to pair the smart plug with your Heimgard app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click plus sign, and then click the Scan for New Device symbol. It's time to activate your smart plug. Click and hold the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for the device. You are now ready to configure your smart plug. Name your device and choose your designated room. You can add the smart plug to one of your systems, such as climate control, by clicking on Advanced. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimguard.com.